Hey, what's up guys? This video is all about how to use WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. It's practically a guide to what you can and cannot do when it comes to WhatsApp on Galaxy Watch 5 series. Unfortunately, there is still no WhatsApp app available for Wear OS that can be used on Galaxy watches. So we have to make do with what's available to us. And what's available is the ability to get WhatsApp notifications from our phones onto our Galaxy watches. So first thing is to make sure that you have WhatsApp notifications turned on for Galaxy Watch 5. To do this, head over to Galaxy Wear app on your phone, then go into watch settings and then into notifications. Here you can turn on notifications for not just WhatsApp but any other app as well. When it comes to notifications, there are some limitations. For instance, if you haven't received a WhatsApp message from any specific contact or you haven't received its notification on your watch, there is no way that you can initiate a WhatsApp message to that contact. So in short, you cannot start a conversation. Another thing to note here is that you cannot see the entire chat with any specific contact on the watch. So if you receive a message, you will only be able to see the last few messages from that contact on your watch. Lastly, the call functionality has gotten a big update, as it now allows you to receive WhatsApp calls on the watch itself, which is awesome. And I will explain it in more detail at the end of this video. So let's get started and see what you can actually do with WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Once you receive a message, the notification on the watch will show you how many contacts you have got the message from, and the latest message will show up at the top. If I tap on the message, it will take me to the messages thread from which it belonged. But if I tap the tag below, it will then show me all the contacts I have received messages from. You can open each one of these chats and see the last few messages in that thread. As I've mentioned earlier, it will not show the entire thread but the last 10 or 15 messages. Now there are few ways that you can reply to these messages. First of all, we have some quick replies down here and you can select any one of them and send them right away. But if you want to send a custom message, then you will get this input field in the messages thread, which is a new feature in Galaxy Watch 5. When you will tap on this input field, it will open up the brand new Samsung QWERTY keyboard, where you can also swipe to type the message. If you want to change the input method, simply swipe up from the bottom of the display and a menu comes up, from where you can switch to adding emojis, dictate the message, go to numerical keyboard, or swipe to write messages. Now what happens once you have replied to these messages is that they disappear from the watch. But once your contact has replied to that message, you will then once again be able to see the last few messages. Moving on, another very important thing to notice here is that if someone sends you a photo in your WhatsApp, you will be able to view that image on your watch as well. So here you can see that I can view this image in its entirety on my Watch 5 Pro. So that's very cool. However, if someone sends you a video or even a voice message, you will not be able to watch it or listen to it. You will have to use your phone for that. But at least it will show you what is the duration of the video or the voice note. So you can decide whether to attend to it straight away or put it down for later. The same goes for GIFs. If someone sends you a GIF, the watch will let you know that you have received a GIF but will not show you on the watch. One improvement here is that now, if someone sends you a sticker, you will also be able to see it on your Watch 5 Pro. Now this feature was not available a few months back, but now it is. There is also an option to mark messages as read from the watch, but you have to dig a little deeper for it. Scroll all the way down and you will get more options to show messages on your phone, block WhatsApp notifications, clear the notification, and the ability to mark it read on the phone app. Because when you read a notification on the watch, it does not show as read, or the famous blue ticks don't appear on the app for the sender. So if you want the sender to know that you have actually read the message, you can use this feature. Finally, let's talk about the call functionality. You can now attend WhatsApp calls on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and it works just like a regular call, except that you will know that you are getting a call from WhatsApp contact. You can then choose to attend or decline it. During a call, you can control the volume, mute the mic, and also transfer the call to your phone. This functionality is still in beta version though, and if you are using the beta version of WhatsApp, you might also get it sooner than the regular app. Hopefully we will get a proper WhatsApp app soon as well, so we can also initiate conversations and calls, listen to audio notes, and watch videos as well. That is everything you can and cannot do with WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you have learned something new here. And if you have, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.